are a very small component of the larger ecosystem which is required to build refurbished as a segment. I think some of it has been talked about. I think distinguished chief guest talked about certain policy changes and incentives which are needed to fuel this entire industry. I think the first, I think, acknowledgement is that this is a big industry and something should be done about it is the first step. Our recommendation is that there should be some tax reforms for e-commerce, some rebates, easy access for new age entrepreneurs to get into this business, easier access to capital, growth, incubators, mentors. There are a few mentors available in the room. People don't know exactly what needs to be done. Should these product category be treated very differently from a new product? Can Make in India make it really, really lucrative for any new business to come and enter in this space and organize this segment? That's first step. Secondly, I think there is going to be a lot of investment in people, in skilling people, because this industry will open up technical know-how of repairing and refurbishing various categories. Packaging industry can boom because of this. Logistics anyways is, of course, you are transferring goods from one point to the other, and of course e-waste disposal and management in a very sustainable manner. Along with this, I think from driving consumer confidence, there are a lot of steps which can be done. For example, can there be a ISI or Hallmark equivalent refurbished grade? Today, can anyone use refurbished word loosely for any used product? My answer is yes, anyone can use it right now. What is the assurance that we are giving to the customers to drive confidence in buying refurbished products? How do we distinguish them from any used product? I think there should be some standard around that. From a corporate governance and corporate responsibility point of view, we talk about carbon footprint. We talk about, are you generating more waste than, or are you plastic neutral, etc., etc. I think there should be one metric around that for the corporates, manufacturers and consumers of electronic goods, that are they recycling or reusing a certain portion of what they manufacture or what they use. If the government leads by example, or decision maker lead by example by promoting refurbished goods in their own offices, I think it will go a long way in driving consumer confidence. One of the options which I think Norway has done